Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be taking off gel nail polish. That stuff right there. So as you can see, I already took it off of my other hand, but I'm pretty confident that I'm going to be able to do this the second time, but we'll see. So you're going to need a little nail file. You can use a bigger one. I just happen to have a little one. Some sort of stick. I use toilet paper instead of cotton balls because I don't like the feeling of cotton balls. And then you need some aluminum foil. I just cut some pieces into like 3 by 3-ish squares, but you can rip it if you want to. And when I cut them, they like kind of stuck together weird, so just rip some of them up. All right, cool. So we also need acetone, which is pretty much the main ingredient in all of nail polish removers. So I just have pure acetone here. Pretty sure you need to use it, but I also have lotion that was suggested and a hairdryer. So first things first. Oh, there's the acetone. So first things first, you need to get your nail file. There it is, nail file. And you're just going to file off the top sealing layer that is encasing the gel nail polish onto your fingernail. So just buff it on all the sides. You'll notice a difference, so it won't be all shiny and clean looking like they were before. They'll be all buffed out, and just try and make sure you get most of your nail, because that'll make it easier to come off and you won't have to scrape so much. So I'm going to time lapse so we get through all of my fingernails real quick. Alright, so after you're done filing your fingernails, what you're going to need to do is not what I'm about to do right now. I kind of almost skipped a step, because I went to grab this piece and put acetone on it, which is correct. However, I missed a step. Yeah, here, I'm going to realize it. So first you want to take your stick thing and put some lotion on it. I don't know if it needs to be a specific kind of lotion, but this is what I used. It's just your regular lubriderm or whatever it is. So you just kind of put it on your cuticle or wherever, so you don't like damage your skin with not having acetone on it. So you just do that to all of your nails. Try not to get it on the gel polish itself, because I'm pretty sure then that's going to ruin it. Might not make this process as easy. So now you're going to take your toilet paper with the acetone on it. Again, you don't have to use toilet paper, but you can use something that will hold the liquid. So then you take your foil and fold it over that fingernail with the toilet paper with the acetone on it inside. So it's nice and squished in there. Then you do that for all of your nails. I used a bigger piece on my thumb because my thumb is bigger. So you can use smaller pieces on your smaller fingernails. So you're just going to do this on all of your nails. And smush the aluminum foil on there. Alright, now that you've got your fingers all wrapped up in aluminum foil, you are going to use your hairdryer and just set it there on the table, or if you have a stand, that'd be nice, but you can just set it on the table, push it right on top of your fingernails, and just let it ride. Get your fingernails nice and warm. So I left it on for 10 minutes and watched some TV shows. And then after 10 minutes, what you're going to do to check it, I start with my thumbnail. You're going to kind of rock it back and forth to loosen up the gel polish and then just pull it off. But try and press down when you pull it off. And as you can see, it kind of came off. So I'm going to try and use that stick pokey thing to try and get some of it off. But I decided that it wasn't working. So I decided that I was going to leave them in there for like another 5 minutes. So I just turned on the hairdryer again and let it sit there for 5 more minutes, watched my TV show, and then we're back. So we've got trying to pull off the second one, and this one came off a lot nicer. There's only a couple pieces on there, so I'm going to go ahead and scrape those off, but I hate that feeling. It's kind of like fingernails on a chalkboard almost, but it gives you a weird feeling. But it gets the gel polish off, and you don't have to pay somebody else to do it. As long as you have the items at home, I guess this is a good enough option. I can't say that this was perfect. It did leave a little bit of the residue on there. I'm guessing it's from the base coat, but I mean, it came off. I just kind of filed my fingernails down, and you can kind of still see the residue on there, but for the most part, it's all pretty much gone. So I was pretty satisfied with it, but I'll see you later, and remember, stay beautiful.